Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another wet and windy day. It looks like it's going to be that all weekend. All right, so today for brunch, I have a chicken patty. This is from the same mix that I made the Swedish meatballs with, and I just took enough out to do a patty for that, and I'm going to do a little burger. I have some white American cheese slices, and then Kroger has this new burger topping. It's a creamy dill. I also got a caramelized onion one, so I'm excited to try that one. And I'm going to have 2 pieces of, this is Aldi's protein bread, so I'm going to have that as a bun, and then I have some green leaf lettuce and pickled onions. This is broccoli cheese soup. I made a batch for Sandy and I kept some for me, so I'm going to have that, and a bag of Goldfish Crackers, and that's it. That will be brunch. So the only thing I need to do for this is cook the chicken, and we're all set to go. Hey guys, welcome back for dinner. So I'm not feeling like cooking too much. So I think what I'm going to do is a little baby-fied version of a superfood salad. And for that, I have some 50-50 spring mix. I have some grape tomatoes, some sugar snap peas, a little tiny Mandarin, some English cucumber, some olives, some pickled baby beets. And this is, I wasn't sure if this was pepperoni. This was in that veggie tray I bought from Kroger, but they're turkey sausage bites, which is great. And they're 80 calories for 6 bites. I worked 8 of them into my macros. And then I'm going to try this. So normally I would make my own lasagna, but I just don't feel like cooking tonight. So I had one of these in the freezer from when Kroger had them on special. And it is 390 calories for the container. I don't know how big it's going to be. I'm guessing not that big. And then there's the rest of that. But what I really liked is that it has a really good, clean ingredient label. So that was great. And then I was reading, it was like, you can cook it in the oven for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. I'm not going to heat my whole house up and run my oven for 45 minutes. Or you can microwave it for 5. I do like what they said. Microwaves work too, but would Nona approve? Ovens take longer, but it tastes and smells better that way. So I doubt it would make enough of a difference. Certainly not enough of a difference to heating up my house and running the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to make the salad. Not really anything to do there, but cut up a few things. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to put this in the microwave. And then that's it. That leaves me with just about 100 calories and a whole bunch of carbs and a whole bunch of fat macros left over. So I'm going to have a half serving of the fruit salad that I made, and that's about 90 calories. So that should, and it's all carbs basically. So that should fill out my macros for the evening. I just took that out of the box. It's actually not a bad serving size. So that's plenty. And I'm going to do about a half a plate of salad. So that should be good.